Oh, now I am. This actually takes pretty good video.
Yeah.
Like for an iPod.
Yeah.
Giver! What do you have, like millisecond airtime?
It was about one but off the.
It was like an
seat time.
It was like an eighth of an airtime.
Got close.
Fucking orange truck comes up here. We better run.
Got clotheslined on the swing.
That would be funny. Catch his front fender.
As fast as we have to see.
I want to ride that fucking thing.
You should get on it.
What?
You should get on it. I'm
I
not
know.
going it, but you should.
I'm gonna pop the clutch and just. Yeah, Reggie. Well, Ricky Carmichael here. What's he doing?
Burn out.
There's some mud there or what?
What was that?
Well, if that was a burnout, I guess we've had it. Put her in gear.
What is he doing?
I don't know, he's gonna hit us though. Give her.